It can be hard to figure out what you want to make with so many patterns out there. So I wanted to make it easy for you and share with you today 11 free patterns. Now, one of the patterns contains a set of 5, and one has 2, and the other one has 6. So technically today I am sharing 23 patterns with you. These are all patterns that I am definitely going to try to make this year, but number 10 and 11 are definitely on the top of my list, so stick around because you do not want to miss them. So if you want, get you something warm to drink and find a comfy spot, and don't forget to grab a pen and paper because you might want to write down some of these patterns so that you don't forget to make them this year. Now, all of the patterns I'm going to show you today, I'm going to put links down in the video description. This will make it easy for you to find these patterns, so let's get started. The first pattern that I want to share with you is this cute amigurumi Christmas tree from Crafts Ideas. This project is charming and festive, and if you are like me and love to mix amigurumi with the holidays, this is one you are definitely going to want to make. This would look great on a bookshelf, a coffee table, a mantle, or anywhere that you place it. And if you are like me, I love to gift holiday decor because it's something that can be used over and over again each year. The second pattern I want to share with you is the Christmas baubles ornaments, because what is Christmas without ornaments, right? This pattern is free and it is by Rafa Musa Designs. This pattern has 6 different designs, which makes it great for those of you that are heading to markets, or if you want to make Christmas gifts for friends and family. They have the option to make a gingerbread man, a Christmas pudding bauble, a snowman bauble, a reindeer bauble, a gnome bauble, and a bear bauble. So it is a 6-in-1 pattern, which I love. The third pattern is a stocking pattern because let's face it, if you are like me, you cannot ever find last year's stockings, right? So you end up with a bunch of stockings that don't match hanging from your mantle. This pattern is called the Christmas Country Stocking, and it is by stitching together. This is a simple country style stocking, but I love it because you can pick any color that you want. This pattern will be perfect for a minimalist or anyone who loves neutral colors with the farmhouse feel. And the fourth pattern I am excited to share with you is the farmhouse truck pillow. Now this pattern is by Brianna K Designs. This is an iconic farmhouse design. Now my mom, she loves the farmhouse design, so I'm hoping to make this one for her this year. If farmhouse is not your thing, the fifth pattern that I'm going to share with you is from the same designer, Brianna K Designs, and she also has a plaid deer pillow pattern that you can make in different colors that is more of a rustic vibe. And what is Christmas without coasters? The seventh pattern is these cute little snowman coasters by Crochet 365 Knit 2. And I thought these coasters were so adorable, and I love gifting coaster sets for Christmas. These would also be great for those of you that are heading to market because you can whip them up quickly. And number 8 is Christmas gnome ornaments. Now this is a free pattern on Amigurumi Free by concept.com, and I am not sure if they are the author or not, but this is a site that I found them on. This pattern has the option to make a Santa, reindeer, or elf gnomes that are super cute. These would also be great for markets because they are small and you could whip them up quickly. And if you are like me, you have some gnome lovers on your Christmas list that would love getting some of these as a gift. Now, number 9 is a cute Christmas collection of 5. These patterns are by Not Brad Crochet, and these are so adorable. I can't wait to make them. From this pattern, you can make a gingerbread man, an eggnog, a snowman, a yeti, or a reindeer. These would also be great for markets because everyone loves cute little amigurumis that can sit on a desk or a shelf to add some holiday cheer. Now, hang in there with me. We only have 2 more patterns to go, and these are my absolute favorites. Number 10 is a free pattern on Ravelry by Caroline Brody. Because what is Christmas without a Grinch and Max? Am I right? I have always loved the Grinch and watching the movies with my girls, and I prefer the older version, but I also like the newer one too. Which one is your favorite? If you want, tell me in the comment section below because I am interested in seeing which one that you prefer. All right, last but not least is number 11. This one I have wanted to make for years, but I have just never gotten around to it, and I really hope to make it this year. It is, drumroll please, I got my elf stuck wreath by Stingy Ding Ding. Now, I don't know why, but when I first saw this pattern years ago, I just loved it. It is funny yet adorable and will go with just about any Christmas theme that you pick out for your house this year. It would also make a great gift to give someone who loves Christmas. I hope that you have enjoyed this Christmas pattern roundup, and if you have, please tell me in the comment section below so that I'll know to make more videos like this to help you find great free patterns. I also want to know in the comment section which patterns you are planning on making this year from this list. I look forward to hearing from you. Until next time, happy crocheting.